So para sa part 5 na ating basic navigation videos, magsasagot tayo ng problem solving. So para sa ating problem solving, scenario 7, MV Tokyo will sail at an average speed of 10.2 knots for 7 days, 10 hours, and 30 minutes, while MV Helsinki will sail at an average speed of 12.5 knots for 6 days, 1 hour, and 45 minutes. Which of the two ships will cover a longer distance? Prove your answer. So ang given natin is MV Tokyo, speed of 10.2 knots, and a steaming time of 7 days, 10 hours, and 30 minutes. Ang next natin is MV Helsinki with a speed of 12.5 knots and a steaming time of 6 days, 1 hour, and 45 minutes. So ang hinahanap natin dito ay yung mas nag-cover ng longer distance. So again, para sa computation natin, ang gagamitin natin ay yung DST pyramid. Ang hinahanap naman ngayon ay yung distance. So para makuha natin yung steaming time natin in hours, so may decimal points, i-convert natin yung steaming time. So 7 times 24 is equal to 168 hours. And 168 plus 10 hours is equal to 178 hours. And yung minutes natin, i-divide natin siya ng 60. 30 divided by 60, 0.5. And i-add natin siya sa 178. Kaya ang maging sagot natin ay 178.5 hours. So para makuha natin yung distance, 178.5 hours times 10.2 knots. So ang distance natin is 1,820.7 nautical mile. Para naman sa MV Helsinki, again, convert natin yung steaming time natin into hours. 6 times 24 is 144 hours. And 144 plus 1 is 145. And 45 minutes divided by 60 is 0.75. At ang total answer natin is 145.75 hours. So para makuha natin yung distance, 145.75 hours times 12.5 knots. So ang distance natin is 1,821.88 nautical miles. So para sa tanong natin na who sailed farthest, MV Helsinki sailed farthest kasi mas mataas yung na-cover niyang distance. So that ends it for our part 5 for the basic navigation videos.